Learn more daily.
Good morning, kids. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to study the letter H. Which letter? H. Letter H. In alphabets, there are two types. One is capital letter and another one is small letters. Today we are going to study capital letter H and small letter H. Are you ready? Very good. Here you can see the letter H. Which letter? H. Can you say? Yes, very good. Now I want to tell you that each and every letter in the alphabet has different sounds. And do you know what sound H has? Let's see. Sound of H is H. H. Children, can you identify this insect? This is honeybee. Do you know, children? Honeybee makes tasty honey for us. Do you love to eat honey? I love to eat honey. Can you tell me what is this? This is a hammer. Hammer. Children, do you know why to be use hammer? Use a hammer to nail things together. Children, what is this? This is a hat. Where to be we put the hat? We put the hat on our head. Hat. Hat. Now let's see how to write letter H. Do you remember standing line and sleeping line? Yes. Okay, this pattern will help us to write letters. Now let's see how to write letter H. Standing line. Again standing line. A small sleeping line. Once more. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Follow the steps to draw small letter H. Step 1. Step 2. I hope that you have understood letter H. If you like this video, don't forget like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification.